Oh boy!
I'm sorry! I was only trying to help! Back up! Don't make me use force! Oh.
This thing is...
What?
Huh? Okay.
You are the robot who assisted me in my escape from Nefarious. What is your name?
My name? Yes, of course. Sigma 0426A. But you can call me Sigmund. I'm junior caretaker here at the Great Clock.
Forgive me, but
what is the Great Clock?
Oh dear! We're late! Come! We don't have a lot of time! Figuratively speaking, of course.
So, where are we going? This is going this Great Clock.
Where is everyone?
Not really sure. Nefarious and his troop left after that butler guy tossed you into the hall. Not a very pleasant lot, are they?
No, not very
pleasant at all.
May I ask what the purpose of this facility is?
This place? Oh, this is the universe's greatest contingency plan. Come.
Okay. Well, who is this? Alright. Let's go. Huh? Where am I? Huh?
Hello, XJ0461, and welcome to your subconscious. I am Orvis, and I've been anticipating your return for quite some time.
I do not understand. Have I been here before?
I don't understand. If you two wrong to, but how do you know my name?
You didn't think your soul came from a robot factory, did you? I created you.
What?
Oh, you must have a lot of questions. But first, I have a present for you.
That's new.
Off we go. We have lots to do if you're going to take over my work.
Are you really
Yeah.
my father?
Hey, you are parents.
My dear boy, I am a program. A digital simulation of the real Orvis.
Okay.
Installed the day you were born in
Okay.
Solana. But don't worry, I know all his old jokes.
Oh man, this is awkward.
You've done wonderfully, my son. I know you're going to take good care of this place.
But
Oh,
will
it will
we
be.
This
This
is
is
your
your facility.
No, my dear boy, it's your facility. The Great Clock and everything in it, I now leave to you. Watch over it and protect it. Fulfill your destiny. Program terminated.
Oh man.
Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard. Sigmund.
Where's my real parents of mine?
He said it's a secret. And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just saying. Am I gonna need this?
We have an orientation room that will tell you everything you need to know about the Great Clock. It's
Okay.
What you do?
Yeah. Okay.
Show me how to fight like that one day?
Oh yeah.
Let's try this again! Night of the Living Squishies, Act 3, Scene 4. Ready on set?
I should never have quit dental school.
And action! You'll never take me alive, Quack! Time is under my control!
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
Silly me, sir. I just thought it prudent to tell you Clank is en route to the Orvis chamber. Sir.
Splendid! The moment we've been waiting for is now. Now, if there's nothing else to discuss.
There is one small matter.
have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
I know, Lance. I was in that tribe of gypsy ninjas.
They cannot be allowed to meddle in our plans! Track them down and annihilate them!
Very good, sir. In the meantime, might I suggest engaging with safety so as not to kill any more troops?
It's not even loaded, you moron! Look! Next!
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth?
You've lost the element of surprise! Killing me won't be so easy!
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me! Who sent you? Porcelain? Nefarious? Figures they like the spy to confront me themselves!
Look at me! I'm a Lombax!
The Lombaxes are gone! And I know a hollow guys when I see one!
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Now I've got you! It can't be. You're Caden's son. Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots.